So, last night, or yesterday all day, I had a Crohn's flare-up and was not feeling good. And I left Izzy and Mia out of their cages, and what I do is I turn the light off, and as dark approaches, I go in, turn the light on, they step up and go right into their cage. Well, because I was feeling so crappy, I forgot to go in and put them away. And they did some damage. My fault, completely my fault. Completely my fault. As you can see. They have... Oh, hello, Mia. What are you doing? Are you disappearing behind the curtain? Huh? And they made a heck of a mess. Look at their cage. That was clean yesterday. What are you doing? Here. What are you doing? Hi. Go on. Yeah. What are you doing? Here. And I'm sure Izzy's in here. What are you doing, Izzy? Step up. Step up. Good girl. Wait till Daddy. They undid the food bowl. Wait till Daddy comes home. Because knocked curtains down. Curtains down. Yes, yes, yes. Oh boy, yes. And folks, I am going to get in trouble. Yes, I am. And I'm going to be very busy cleaning up this lovely mess. The end.